Okay, everyone, all schools and all public places need police alarms instead of just fire alarms. Because of all of the really bad shootings going on, we should have better security and police alarms. So if there is a armed intruder inside the building, someone will push the button and alert the building to go into lockdown, and it will alert the police to come quicker, and it will save more lives. We have fire alarms in schools, but the cases for fires in schools are very low, and most of it is kitchen fires, and there is zero fatalities due to that. It has been over 50 years since we had a fatality in a school fire in this country because we have been practicing fire drills. We have proper fire exits, sprinklers, alarms, and faster fire department responses. So we should do the same thing with a even more serious danger in our schools today. Why are police alarms not mandatory unlike fire alarms? They should be mandatory because they save lives. Some schools have them installed, but not all schools. All schools should have them installed. All schools have fire alarms installed inside them. Fire alarms are widespread, so why are police alarms not widespread? That is a big question these days. As a parent, would you want to send your child to school? in a safe way or in a dangerous way. You want your child to be safe. Safety is very important, and cracking down on violence is one way we can be safe. Goodbye.